Hello guys, this video is the intro for how Power BI add new data source, append table and add custom column. Now we add the new source for CSV, stat UK 500. This is have 500 data from the internet. We just download on the site. So we add it, then click OK. Then you can see the column 1, column 2, column 3. So we use the use first row for header. Click it as the header. They will change the column name correctly. Then we add the new column, add column, custom column. Then add the custom column for the country name UK, because we have other 3 tables for different country. So we name it to country. Then repeat step 1 to fetch step 3 for the new data source. Just same as the control, we have done the step. As custom columns, type the column name to country and add the string for US. Repeat and repeat again, step 1 to step 3 for new data source. We still have 3 tables to insert it. Okay, same, use the first row for the as header and add the custom column to CA string country. Then use the new source add CSV, then add the last table AU 500. Okay, then add the new column, custom column. Also change the name to country and type AU for the country name. Just click OK. Then we append keywords as news, 3 or more tables. Click, then add 4 tables in it. So there have a new appended table for 4 tables combined to 1 table. So we can use the finish and close and apply. The data will show it in the table. Next time I will teach you how to analyze the data from this appended table. So see you later. Thanks, and please subscribe and like or share for your friends.